Y'all know how much I love a hidey hole food plot. I'm talking small, 30, 40 yard circle, square, whatever, in the timber, about 75 yards away from bedding or so. These need to be strategically located, not just go out there with your chainsaw and make a food plot. Of the ones we made this year, one was my favorite. It's right on a ridge top, about 70 yards away from where we cut a bunch of cedars, so there's cover there, native vegetation growing. And we found an area between some great big post oaks. Had a bunch of cedars and little scrubby oaks, 5, 6 inch oaks, whatnot. Just went in there with a steel chainsaw and some sweat, boys. Got to do some work to make good habitat, especially in timber country. This isn't like ag country. And cut that stuff, stacked it in the middle, didn't feed the fire too much, because if you get that fire too hot, you're scarred of trees, you're wanting to have that overhanging limbs and cover on. So did it right. Didn't use any fertilizer, put the seed blend in there, green cover. It actually caught a little bit on that place and overseeded with rye. And one of the things we've really learned this year, so thankful that we started working with SoilPro Outdoors, because in that area with the fire and it was just timber covered by leaves, there wasn't a really good microbe base, right? And we all know by now, hopefully you know by now, only way nutrients get into a plant is through living microbes. That's why tilled fields have to have so much fertilizer and everything added to them. We didn't add any fertilizer. Zero, none. No lime, no fertilizer. Done. But we added some microbes from SoilPro Outdoors, and that field is looking great. And making new hidey holes and treating all of our plots with the microbes is certainly on the plan for 2025.